Hello, welcome to math. We're going to begin by just doing some random math facts. I'm going to go fairly quick, so see if you can keep up with me. I'm sure that you can. Here we go. 4 times 9 is 36, 6 times 9 is 54, 9 times 8 is 72, 6 times 7 is 42, and 6 times 8 is 48, 7 times 9 is 63, and 9 times 8 is 72. I'm sure you noticed that sometimes I read from the top down and sometimes from the bottom up. Kind of depends on how I learned them. You really, when you learn it one direction, you've learned it the other direction also. So you don't have to actually learn as many math facts as you think you do, because you can just learn them one way and then you still know them. Let's work some more today on long multiplication. Sometimes that looks a little scary when we come across it in class. So let's work on it some more until we understand it to where it's not even a problem. We're going to remember that when we do multiplication, we multiply this number by this one, then this times this times this. If there were more numbers, we would just do this times this and this times this. So we just work our way along. Let's go ahead and get started on this one. 4 times 6 is 24. So we put a 4, and then we have to regroup that too, because there isn't room to write 24 in the ones column. So we move it up here, and it becomes 2 tens. So now we have 6 times 0 is 0, and we add on 2 to 0, and we end up with 2. And then 6 times 6 is 36. So there we go. That was pretty simple, wasn't it? You just work your way along. You start on this side, and you work your way this way. And really, the number could go on for a very long time, and you would still be able to do it. It would take you a long time, but you would be able to do it. You just work your way along, one number at a time, recording the numbers that you get, remembering to always regroup if you have a 2-digit number for your answer, like 36. What we've really done there is 6 times 6 is 36. We've put a 6, and then there's nowhere to regroup up here. So we have room to just go ahead and write the 30 part of it. So I hope you understand this. Let's do one more just to be sure. Another one planned for us here. Oops, my clipboard's coming apart. It is so exciting to see you guys work on your math in school, because you're all doing so very well. All right, so we'll do the same routine. We are going to multiply 732 by 8. So we take 8 times 2, then 8 times 3, then 8 times 7, and we will end up with our answer. So 8 times 2 is 16. Carry the 1 up there to regroup it. You regroup the 1 because you had 16 ones. Now you have 6 ones and 1 10. Then we have 3 times 8 is right here. 3 times 8 is 24. We need to add on our extra 10 that we brought up, which will make it 25. And we need to regroup that as well. It needs to go up here to be regrouped, because we can't write down 25 tens. We can write down 5 tens, and then the 20 needs to go up into the hundreds place. So 7 times 8 is 56, and we add 2, which gives us 58. So this great big number times this number will give you 5,856. Remember, when you make your commas, that you make them small. You want them to be bigger than just a period, but you want them to be somewhat small so you don't confuse them for a 1 or something else that might be in your number. Practice these until it seems simple to you. Bring your copies of these yourself. I would also again like you to make up one of your own. Bring it to class along with any questions, and I will see you soon in math. Bye-bye.